Welcome back. When working with NumPy arrays, understanding how they are copied is crucial, as arrays behave differently from standard Python objects. This difference can lead to subtle bugs if you are not careful. This lecture will clarify the distinction between a view of an array, which shares data, and a copy, which is independent. 1. Views. A view is a new array object that refers to the data of the original array. This happens when you perform slicing, which we will cover in the next lecture, or when assigning arrays to a new variable without an explicit copy. If you modify the view, you modify the original array, and vice versa. This behavior is optimized for performance, as it avoids duplicating large amounts of data. In this example, changing array B also changes array A. 2. Creating a true copy. When you need a completely independent array, you must explicitly use the copy method. A true copy duplicates the array's data in memory, meaning any modifications made to the copy will not affect the original array, and vice versa. Use copy whenever you intend to modify the new array and must preserve the original. 3. The base attribute. You can programmatically check whether an array is a view or a true copy using the base attribute. If an array owns its data, like the original array or a true copy, base will be none. If it is a view, .base will refer back to the original array from which it was sliced or created. This is a handy debugging tool. To summarize, always be intentional about whether you need a view or a true copy. Our next lecture 35.08. Slicing. See you there.